57. The thing broke in half. So I bought a bicycle brake line. Let me try this. The bike brake line is stronger and longer. So the slot is big enough, small enough for this. So you just take out few of them, then it will go inside. Then I put 3 of them. You just need to press it. The length should be the same. Attempt number 2. There wasn't much clearance with that thing. So now I'm using this wire direct. I wasn't expecting this, but it worked. So this is the mechanic wire. I just made a direct connection, and you have to keep adjusting until you find the right torque. You need this connection. You know this.